Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making breakfast potatoes. I'm just going to start with our main ingredient, which is the potatoes. Keeping the skin on is optional. I love it just for the little crunch that it gives when I fry it up. So along with the potatoes, peppers go really well with this dish. So I'm just adding in some red peppers, and you can use whichever colors that you like. So just dice them up and set them aside for now. So next up are some onions. So what I'm doing here is just using one of the red onions. You can use the white onions if you like, or the yellow ones. But I like this one because it gives more of a flavor. So just dice this up. So just to recap on the ingredients that we have so far, I have 4 medium-sized potatoes diced in cold water because I just wanted to keep them fresh. And I have 1 pepper, which equals to about 1 cup of peppers, diced peppers, and half a cup of diced onions. So as some of you may know, I like to test out my recipes before uploading them online. So the best way that I found for these potatoes are to boil them. And you just want to give them a quick boil for about 3 minutes. Trust me on this. So once your water has boiled, just add in your potatoes slowly. And you only want to boil this up for about 3 minutes. And trust me on this, you do not want to fully boil your potatoes. You just want them to soften up a little bit. Once the potato is boiled, drain the water and set the potatoes aside. So let's get out of that kitchen and let's get some fresh herbs. So we just started our garden this year and we put in some rosemary, some thyme, sage, and oregano. So we're just gonna grab a couple of those and add it to our dishes. So in a pan, I added about 2 tablespoons of butter and just let it melt. So in the pan, I'm adding in my fresh herbs. I cleaned them, and just so you can see here, it is some thyme, rosemary, oregano, and some sage. So in this, add in your potatoes, and we're just gonna let it fry up a little bit. So when you start seeing your potatoes start to crisp up, let's add in our onions. After a couple of minutes of adding the onions, we'll add in the peppers. Now let's add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a tablespoon of smoked paprika, and here I'm using half a teaspoon of seasoned salt, or you can use regular salt, and some pepper. So this is it. This is my version of the breakfast potatoes. So go ahead and enjoy your breakfast. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the like button, and that bell notification for my newest videos. See you next time.